Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Wednesday, April 14, 2021, as you can see in the calendar. And today we're going to talk about a little bit of what we saw yesterday, predictions, that there will be plus the thing and there won't be plus the thing. As you know, predictions means that may or may not happen. It's what we think is going to happen. But today I want to introduce you to how to say that is going to happen. That it's a fact that that thing that we say is going to happen. For this we use the going to be. So we use there are going to be, if we say there are going to be flying cars, it's a fact that in the future are going to be flying cars. For negations we use there are not going to be robots. That's a fact. If we use the going to be, there are not going to be robots, there are not going to be robots. And there is going to be Wi-Fi for everybody. If we mention it like that, we are saying that it's a fact that in the future Wi-Fi will be able for everybody. How do we use it? Well, things that happen or are going to happen, we use there is going to be plus the thing that we say that is a fact that is going to happen, and there is not going to be plus the thing is things that are not going to happen, that is a fact that are not going to happen. So this is for affirmations and this is for negations. As you can see, the check and the cross. Let's see some examples here. In the future there is going to be or will be flying cars. This is depending of what you think. For example, I think it's a fact that flying cars will be in the future, so there is going to be flying cars. Sorry. In the future, I am going to be. In the future, I am going to be or will be older. What do we use here? We use the am going to be. Why? Because it's a fact that you're going to be older in the future. So it's not a probability. You're not going to get younger. It's a fact that in the future you get old. So next year Lenny is going to be or will be my teacher. Well, this is a prediction. This could be a prediction because it's not a fact that Lenin is going to be my teacher, so will be my teacher. It's a possibility. Okay, and in the future I am going to or will know how to drive. So this is depending of your expectations and what do you want. For example, I think it's a will because maybe I don't want to know how to drive, or I don't have the opportunity to know how to drive. So it's a possibility, it's a prediction. In the future I will know how to drive. So in conclusion, I want to say that there will be versus the going to be. There will be, it's a maybe, it's prediction, it's not sure. And going to be, it's 100% sure, it's a fact, it's going to happen. Okay? So that will be all for today. We're going to talk about it more tomorrow. Have a good day and see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.